What if the Great Pyramid of Giza isn't just an ancient monument, but a mathematical message? A message written not in words, but in numbers. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of 3, 6, and 9, you would have a key to the universe." But what if the world had already been using that key thousands of years before he was born? Before we go any further, there's one concept we need to understand. It's simple, it's ancient, and it quietly connects everything you're about to see. This is the digital root. Simply put, a digital root reduces any number down to a single digit by repeatedly adding its digits together. Ancient civilizations use this method to reveal repeating numerical patterns hidden inside large values. Of the digital roots from 1 through 9, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 appear again and again in everything we touch. It appears in religions, it appears in time, it appears in geometry, and it appears in the very fabric of reality. For this example, though, let's take the day of an equinox. Day and night are divided into perfect 12-hour segments. There are 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in an hour, and 12 hours in the day and night. That gives us a total of 43,200 seconds. Remember that number. Now add the digits together. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus the 2 zeros. The result is a digital root of 9. So you might be wondering, what do the digital roots of 3, 6, and 9 have to do with the pyramids? First, we'll start with the obvious. There are 3 pyramids on the Giza Plateau. And although we're taught that pyramids have 4 sides, the walls of the Great Pyramid are actually concave, giving it 8 triangular faces and 1 square base. This gives us a total of 9 sides. Already 3 and 9 are present in the structure itself. Now here's where things get interesting. Take the original height of the Great Pyramid, which is 481.39 feet, and multiply it by 43,200. You get 3,938.685 when converted to miles. When you reduce it down, you get the digital root of 6. Now look at what that scaled number represents. 3,938.685 miles is within about 11 miles of Earth's polar radius. That's an accuracy of roughly 99.7%. In other words, the pyramid's height scaled by 43,200 mirrors the size of the planet. Coincidence? Maybe, but it happens again. Take the perimeter of the pyramid's base and multiply it by 43,200. You get 24,734.94, which has the digital root of 6. And that number aligns closely with Earth's equatorial circumference, accurate to about 99.3%. So now we have this, the pyramid encoding Earth's radius, the pyramid encoding Earth's circumference, both scaled by 43,200, both collapsing into 6. When we zoom out far enough, a pattern begins to emerge. 3 represents geometry, structure, creation. 6 represents balance, harmony, the physical world. 9 represents completion, cycles, and return to source. The pyramid rises from an octagonal form, 8 sides of matter, and converges into a single point, from many to one. Just like numbers, just like frequency, and just like transcendence. So maybe the Great Pyramid isn't just a tomb, maybe it's a scale model of Earth, a resonator, or perhaps an untapped source of energy, a stone equation tying time, space, and vibration together. And maybe 3, 6, and 9 aren't magic. Maybe they're simply the language of structure, the math nature uses when it wants to be remembered. The question isn't whether the ancients knew something. The real question is, what were they trying to tell us?